Okay, in my unpacking video, I mentioned my gear repair kit, and I did not at the time open it up, but I think I will. First, this guy lived in my first aid kit. It's a tent repair sleeve. For the first half of the trail, well, really all the way to Duncannon, we had at least one copper spur with us. So this tent pole sleeve is for repairing that. It's got duct tape, Leukotape, and then athletic tape wrapped around it. And I quit using this for Leukotape because we were using so much of it. So I just carried a roll of Leukotape, but the duct tape came in handy several times. So this is a little rucksack, a ZPacks rucksack. And I'll show you what I have in it. It's pretty minimal, but I used most all of this at least once. So I carried probably 5 zip ties. I'm down to 3. I'm not sure what we use the other 2 for, but zip ties are just, you gotta have that. That can fix a pack strap, or it can work as a shoelace in a pinch. So we had that. I have a sheet of tenacious tape, and this is like gear repair tape, and I used this for patching sleeping pads. There were a couple times when down jackets got ripped or a hole burned in them, and so I patched it with that tenacious tape. That's a must-have, I think. It saves you sewing, and like North Star burned a jacket on a lantern, you can't sew that. So tenacious tape. In my little vial here, I had Gorilla tape wrapped around this to start with, but I used all that up. So in here I have, this was my sewing kit. So I have a needle and thread. I have this pencil. I don't know why I have a pencil, but it's got a Velcro strap around it, which could have come in handy. I never used that. And then here's some more safety pins. So safety pins are a thing. And then this is like a sleeping pad patch. And then a roll of Dyneema repair tape. Oh yeah, here's another. This is a patch kit that I think I probably bought early on to try and repair North Star's punctured REI flash pad. I tried that for 2 weeks and failed every time. I have some Aqua Seal. This is probably, no, it's still pliable. So there's some Aqua Seal glue. This also, I started the trail with this, and I used a lot of this trying to repair sleeping pads with mixed success. And then I have a spare buckle, which I don't even know if we had anything this size. I don't know why I have that. And then I had this carabiner, which I do think got some use as, just to hang things. But I was carrying 2 of these for bear line. And then I think that's probably all. The lion's share of gear repair was really just tape and glue. So if it was worse than that, then we probably just replaced things. So would I carry all this again? Probably. I might not carry a sewing kit, but the tape, the zip ties, the Aqua Seal, they're must-haves. So that's it. That's my gear repair kit.